Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So in this video I will teach you how you can do bank to bank transfer in this Ria money transfer. So here we have just opened our app. You can see the home screen. For sending, simply go and click on send. Now here you can see the money you are sending in your own currency and the money the recipient will receive in their currency, and you can also see here the exchange rate as well. And here you have this pay with. You can also choose. Here you have two options for that. Here you can choose any payment method. There is no such direct link of payment methods with the delivery methods. So for doing the bank to bank transactions, you have to go to this delivery methods. Here you have two options. You can see here cash pickup and bank. As we want to do bank to bank transactions, so we will go and we will choose bank here. Here you can add the promo code if you have any. You can also skip that. This is completely optional. Here after selecting all these things, you just have to go and you have to click on continue. Now here you have to choose a recipient whom you want to send the money. For adding a new recipient, here you can go and you can click on add a new recipient. Here you have to provide all the recipient information. For this video I'm choosing here, I'm sending the money to myself. So just I will go and now I will search for the bank in which I want to do the transaction. Here you have to add the bank account number, the bank branch number and the branch city. Here after providing all this bank information, you can go and you can click on continue here. Now here you can see all the transfer summary and you can go and you can do the changes here. Like here if I go and if I change here the payment method, I can go and I can do that. Now here you can go and you can click on continue and your money will gonna be sent from the sender's bank to the receiver's bank.
Now let's talk about the receiving process. The recipient does not need to have a RIA account, just a valid bank account. Funds are deposited directly into the recipient's local bank account in their currency. Delivery time varies. Instant to same day. In many countries like India, Mexico, Philippines, you can use instant, which we're gonna be delivered in the same day, and you also have 1 to 3 business days in some countries. Now let's talk about the supported countries and currencies. RIA supports transfer to 160 plus countries. Currencies are converted automatically with a real-time exchange rate. Now we talk about fee and limits. Here first talk about transfer limits. Depend on the sending and receiving country, payment method and regulatory requirements. RIA often impose higher limit for bank transfer compared to cash pickup. And here you have a lower fee for bank to bank. Also here promotion offers 0 fee on first transfer.
That was basically all about how you can do bank to bank deposit. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.